fuel pump on a 2006 Elantra Hyundai. These are 8s, and if you have a blower you want to blow out, so when you take this off, dust doesn't go in or something like that. But to get the lower seat off, and this was already taken out, the plug was taken out when we removed the seat, but and this clamp slide back, this you push those in, I imagine, you know, something like those, and to release it and to lift it off. But we're gonna do the pump, change it out. But this, there's some 12s that come off, and then the brackets, there's a bracket. Anyways, to take that off, lower seat, and those on each side. But I'm not really a lefty, but you get what I mean. And this, I don't have one of those GoPros, but come on, man. It's gonna be like that, something like that. Gotta be careful. Wow. Be mindful of that. Something like this. I just pried it while sliding the bar up. Onto the 8s. Get the idea.
All that aside.
Take it up.
Oh God.
These tabs, 3 tabs. Will be pressed in so this slides off. This. What are we doing? Those are very finicky. Gotta put lube in them. Grease. Never been coming out. The plug eventually came out of that plug. And then you just plug off and then that one stays on. But those little holes you gotta press them out in order for that to slide up. There's a few different those two hold the pump in there. That was the other way.